Hi guys, it's the weekend and I think it's time we let white rice and stew rest small, abi? This sauce is called Chicken Curry Sauce and it's packed with flavor. Just give it a try, you thank me later. So let's get started. First you need some chicken breast, bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, carrots, onion, ginger, garlic and some corn flour. Next, marinate the chicken with some salt, seasoning powder, curry, thyme, and some white pepper. Let this marinate for about an hour. Next, add some vegetable oil in a pot. Add your onion, ginger, and garlic. Add the marinated chicken and let it brown on all sides for a few minutes. Then you add some water and cover this and let it cook for a few minutes. While that is going on, in another pan, add some oil. Add some ginger and garlic. Add the diced bell peppers, the carrots. Give it a good stir and add some salt, seasoning powder, more curry, add thyme. Add as much curry as you can because this is chicken curry sauce. Now you're going to add these cooked veggies back into the chicken sauce. Give it a good stir. Next, you're going to make some corn slurry, and this is done by mixing water with your corn flour. Add this to your sauce and mix properly. You're going to let this simmer for a few more minutes and ta-da! Your chicken curry sauce is ready! If you want detailed information on this recipe, including the ingredients and the steps to make it, check out the Livio Food app today. Bye guys!